Okay, so first we create the file, the new project. Then we want to make a group called liquids, and then another one called blocks. And then for the liquids, we will do 8 by 8 and make it a small circle. That's what we want. Okay, so then str slash water, and then let's make one called lava. The same size but red. Okay, and for the blocks, just make it a black square. Now for the objects, make a control group and a block group and one for the liquid group. For the liquid, obj, let's create the water one, obj water, give it the sprite of water. Now we need to put uses physics for this one and a circle. And then make it a little bit smaller like that. Or maybe a box. And then you might want to center this. That and that. Yeah. So actually let's change the size of this to 32. Same with the lava. So then we won't have to deal with all that stuff. Now we just do that and then a circle, but we want to make it a little bit smaller. So 8, do that so you can make it about in the middle. Now for this, you want to do now we want to do the same thing with the lava. Uses physics. Put it in the middle. 8, 8, and then shrink it. Now for the water and lava, you want to do a collision with lava on the water one, and in the where just any random thing. Maybe just I usually do this and do just blank, keep it blank. This is so when it collides, it's just like colliding with the same thing. So it doesn't go through the lava. And then the same thing with this. Collision, water, and lava. Now for the blocks. Obj slash square. Now make it the square, uses physics. But this is important. You need to change the density to 0 so it won't move. And then make it a square. And move it like that. And then just add the collisions, this, and then this one, you need to have the collision with the block. And just do the same thing on both the water and lava. Yeah, here. And then just put the comment. And then let's test it out. So go into the room. And then place these up. Just place a lot and then save it and then run. Oh yeah, we also need to, in the physics tab, you need to set the room in physics. Room is physics world. You need to click that so they fall. And then they fall. Let's see how they roll like that. We need to center it 16 by 16. Now let's test it again. See, it works now. Now let's try it with the lava also. Okay, now let's test it out again. And it works perfectly. No. And then we make the control. And then in the create event make it global dot block equals 0 and global dot block 2 equals water. And then you can either do mouse wheel up, and then you can do global dot block plus equal 1, and then you duplicate it to mouse wheel down and do -1. And then in the step event, if global dot block equal 0, global dot block 2 equal water, and then you copy and paste that. If global dot block equal 1, global dot block 2 equal lava. And then you put draw, and then you do draw slash text. Let's just self.x and self.y. And then the string is string and then parentheses. And then the global dot block 2. And then we just put this in the room and see if it works. See how it says water up in the corner now? Now you want to look inside the step event, global.block equal 1. You also need to do if global.block equal -1, global.block equal 1. And then if global.block equal 2, global.block equals 0. So then it doesn't go over the limit and just says water. And then see, it says lava and water. And now we need to do the placement. mouse, global mouse, and then you can either do global left button or global left pressed. I like doing this one because then you can just hold it down and it creates objects. So then you do instant/create mouse/x and mouse/y. And then obj/water. We need to, then we do if global.block equal 0, it would create water. But if global.block 1 equals 1, it would create lava. Now let's test it. It creates water, and then it creates lava like that. Okay, now in this mouse right button, if it gets scrolled over by the right button, it gets destroyed. Same with the lava. And see, it gets destroyed. And then you can place it again. Lava, and then you can destroy it. And then you can repeat the process and add as many liquids as you want. And then you can just mess around with this. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial.